Have you ever felt sudden muscle cramps, random eye twitching, or unexplained fatigue that just won't go away? What if those symptoms weren't random at all? What if your body was actually sending warning signals that something important is missing? There's one essential mineral that your body depends on for over 300 biochemical reactions. It helps control your muscles, your nerves, your heart rhythm, your sleep, and even your stress levels. Yet millions of people are unknowingly deficient in it. And when magnesium levels drop, your body starts showing subtle and sometimes dangerous warning signs. Today, we'll reveal 10 powerful signs your body needs magnesium and why ignoring them could silently affect your health. Let's begin. Magnesium is one of the most important minerals in the human body. Every cell in your body needs it to function properly. Magnesium helps regulate muscle contraction, nerve signals, energy production, blood pressure, blood sugar levels, heart rhythm, bone strength. In fact, magnesium plays a role in over 300 biochemical processes. But modern diets, stress, and processed foods have caused magnesium intake to drop dramatically. And when magnesium levels fall too low, your body starts to struggle. That's when the warning signs begin. One of the earliest and most common signs of magnesium deficiency is muscle cramps. You might experience leg cramps at night, muscle spasms, eye twitching, sudden muscle jerks. Magnesium acts like a natural muscle relaxer. It helps muscles release after contracting. But without enough magnesium, muscles stay tense, leading to painful cramps and spasms. That's why many people who increase magnesium intake notice their muscle cramps disappear almost immediately. If you constantly feel tired, even after sleeping well, magnesium deficiency could be the reason. Magnesium helps your cells produce ATP, the molecule that provides energy for your body. Without magnesium, your cells struggle to create energy efficiently. This can lead to low stamina, chronic fatigue, weakness, feeling drained throughout the day. Your body might be getting enough sleep. But without magnesium, it simply can't generate enough energy. Magnesium is often called nature's relaxation mineral. It plays a crucial role in calming the nervous system. Magnesium helps regulate melatonin, the hormone responsible for sleep. Low magnesium levels can cause difficulty falling asleep, frequent waking during the night, restless sleep, insomnia. When magnesium levels are balanced, the brain and nervous system relax, allowing your body to enter deep, restorative sleep. Magnesium has a powerful effect on the brain. It helps regulate neurotransmitters that control mood and emotional balance. When magnesium levels drop, the nervous system becomes overstimulated. This can lead to anxiety, irritability, mood swings, increased stress. Magnesium also helps regulate cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. Without enough magnesium, stress levels can remain chronically elevated. Frequent headaches may also be linked to magnesium deficiency. Magnesium helps regulate blood flow and blood vessel function in the brain. Low magnesium levels can cause blood vessels to tighten or expand abnormally, triggering headaches or migraines. In fact, research shows many migraine sufferers have lower magnesium levels than average. Increasing magnesium intake has been shown to help reduce migraine frequency and intensity. Your heart is a muscle, and it relies heavily on magnesium. Magnesium helps regulate the electrical signals that control your heartbeat. When magnesium levels are too low, the heart may experience palpitations, skipped beats, irregular rhythm. These symptoms occur because magnesium helps stabilize the electrical activity of heart cells. That's why magnesium is essential for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Magnesium also plays a role in digestion. It helps relax muscles in the digestive tract and supports normal bowel movements. Low magnesium levels may cause constipation, digestive discomfort, abdominal cramps. Magnesium draws water into the intestines and helps stimulate healthy bowel movement activity. Without it, digestion can slow down significantly. Most people associate strong bones with calcium, but magnesium is just as important. Magnesium helps regulate how calcium is absorbed and used in the body. Without magnesium, calcium may not properly reach your bones. This can lead to reduced bone density, weak bones, increased risk of fractures, Magnesium also helps activate vitamin D, which is essential for bone health. Sudden sugar cravings may actually be your body asking for magnesium. Magnesium helps regulate blood sugar and insulin function. When magnesium levels drop, blood sugar can become unstable. This can cause intense cravings for sweets, energy crashes, increased hunger. Many people mistakenly think they just need more sugar, when their body is actually asking for magnesium. Magnesium is essential for proper nerve function. Low levels may cause abnormal nerve signals, leading to symptoms like tingling in the hands or feet, numbness, strange nerve sensations. These sensations occur because magnesium helps regulate the electrical activity of nerve cells. Without enough magnesium, nerves can become overly sensitive and misfire. The good news is that magnesium deficiency can often be corrected naturally. Magnesium-rich foods include spinach, almonds, pumpkin seeds, avocados, dark chocolate, whole grains, legumes. Adding these foods to your diet can significantly improve magnesium levels. Sometimes your body isn't sick. It's simply missing the nutrients it needs to function properly. Listening to these warning signs could make a huge difference in your health. And if you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more videos that help you understand how your body really works. Your health starts with knowledge.